Hello and welcome to Socrates. In this video we will learn how to conduct a scientific investigation in Socrates. Go to Socrates-Insights.com and press sign up. Enter your email address, password and nickname and click create. Open the email you just received and click the confirm button. To create a new topic investigation, type in an initial search string in the search box and click Launch Topic Investigation. Socrates now retrieves academic articles, books, and other relevant web pages. Socrates automatically identifies terms which are related to your search string. Select a few terms in order to get initial relevant results. You've reached the main investigation screen. The results are presented in the middle, ordered by relevance. Notice that the selected terms have been added to the search definition pane on the left. The more terms you add, the better the results will be. You can control the weight of a term. Click the mandatory icon to show only results that contain this term. Click the boost icon to increase the score of results containing this term. Click the penalty icon to decrease the score of results containing this term. A term can also be removed. The speedometer icon indicates the amount of new content which is currently collected and analyzed by Socrates. The refresh button changes its color from blue to red, reflecting the amount of change in the ranking of available results. It's recommended to click the refresh button when it becomes red. You can control the level of details presented by clicking the density icon. When you see a highly relevant result, you can like it. Socrates will look for similar documents and will add them to the investigation. You can star a document or add a note as well. Disliking a document will not show it again after the list of results is refreshed. You can always return to your starred, liked, annotated or disliked documents through the Display Results facet. Selecting Unread will display only documents you haven't yet reviewed. At any stage, you can add search terms in order to enrich the results and refine your research question. You can do it by either manually typing a term, selecting one or more suggested terms, marking a term in the text, marking one of the main terms automatically extracted by Socrates. You can import a list of search terms by pasting them into this dialog box. The terms can be added along with corresponding data collection, or without, serving only for re-ranking the list of results already available in Socrates. On the right side of the screen you'll find various filters dynamically generated from the content. You can set one or more of these filters in order to narrow the results. The active filters are listed on top. You can clear a specific filter, or clear all of them at once. Some filter list entities are recognized in the text. Selecting specific values in these filters highlights them in the text. The investigation data can be exported to Excel from the Settings menu. Each sheet of the Excel file gives a different set of data. Let's move now to the author's graph view. Each circle on the screen represents a different author. You can switch between several layouts. Use the controls on the left or the mouse to zoom and navigate around the graph. As a default, the authors are colored by the region of their last known affiliation, based on the documents that are part of this investigation. The size of each node is proportional to the number of documents available in this investigation, written by our author. You can set the size to represent the relevance of each author to the topic of the investigation. As can be seen, a few authors wrote articles which are highly relevant to the investigation. Clicking on a node shows a summary for this author on the right pane. Right-clicking a node opens a menu with options related to this author. Through the same menu, you can select and highlight all co-authors of an author. You can ask Socrates to resize all other authors by content similarity to the selected author, or also color them by content similarity. Socrates can highlight the shortest paths between any two selected authors. Selected authors can be enriched to get all their publications, including those which are not yet part of the investigation. Enriching an author may add many co-authors to the graph. Click View Profile to open a separate tab with all the data related to the selected author. Clicking different areas in the Overview tab will switch to the relevant tabs to reveal the full data collected for that author. Socrates investigations are persistent. You can always return to any of your previous investigations and continue working on it. We wish you a productive experience using Socrates.